Homemade spaghetti. It's a classic, it's easy to make, and it's delicious. We're going to make it together with sausage and hamburger. This recipe is perfect for a family dinner. It is great for a quick meal any night of the week. Let's get started. I will show you how to cook the pasta just right. We'll make the best sauce. You can impress your family and friends. Are you ready? Here's what we need. This recipe is for 4 people. You can double it if you need more. For the sauce, you need 1 pound Italian sausage, 1 pound ground hamburger, 1 onion, chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 28-ounce can crushed tomatoes, 1 15-ounce can tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, ½ teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. For the pasta, you will need 1 pound spaghetti, salt for the pasta water, and olive oil. Don't forget fresh parsley to make it pretty. Let's cook. First, brown the sausage and hamburger in a large pot. Break up the meat with a spoon. Cook until it is brown. Next, add the chopped onion and minced garlic. Cook until the onion is soft. This only takes about 5 minutes. Now, it's time for the tomatoes. Add the crushed tomatoes, tomato sauce, oregano, salt, and pepper. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 15 minutes. While the sauce is simmering, cook the pasta. Fill a large pot with water. Add a tablespoon of salt. Bring it to a boil. Add the pasta and cook until it is al dente. This means it is cooked but still firm to the bite. Drain the pasta. Then, add it to the pot with the sauce. Stir it all together. Now you're ready to eat. Serve your delicious spaghetti with a side of garlic bread. A simple salad goes great with it too. Don't forget the grated Parmesan cheese. Have leftovers? Let the spaghetti cool completely. Then you can store it in an airtight container in the fridge. It will stay fresh for up to 3 days. Cooking should be fun. This recipe is easy to follow. I hope you enjoy your homemade spaghetti with sausage and hamburger.